And today I'm going to demonstrate to you how rock balancing actually works. In order to balance a rock onto any surface, you have to establish 3 points of contact. Anything less than 3 doesn't work, anything more than 3 is alright, but if you want to make it interesting, just stick to 3 points of contact. Like in this case, there it goes. You have to ensure that your base rock is firmly placed. I have to establish 3 points of contact between this rock and this rock. Now when I place this rock, I have to feel those tiny surfaces that I cannot see with my naked eyes. You won't always get it. So when that happens, you should try to change your approach. Okay, that was easy. Here's our top rock. Now when I balance this rock onto this rock, I have to ensure that I treat this whole thing as one. It's all about being in the moment. And what does that even mean? Being in the moment means being aware of your breath, slowing it down. The deeper you breathe, the more aware you are. And the more aware you are, the more observant you become. You have to give it enough time. The key to balancing rocks is deep breathing. The deeper you breathe, the more aware you are, the more the awareness, the more observant you become. And with keen observation, such a balance becomes possible. So this is how you do it. So go ahead, pick up some rocks, start balancing them. And if you can't do it, if you face any difficulties and if you want some guidance, you can always join me for one of my workshops.